For the best Mongolian beef, you have to use the skirt steak, which I'm using, or you have to use the flap steak. So as you guys can see, the threads in the meat, this is what we need. So right now we will make thin slices of the meat and put it right here in our bowl. This is the whole skirt steak I have. So you have to go with the grain. So the meat has the grain. If you see the long threads, you have to cut it just like that. Now take the cornstarch and sprinkle the cornstarch right on top of the meat. So here, just mix the meat with the cornstarch. Okay, the meat is ready. So this is the wok. Add some vegetable oil in the wok. So here I have the ginger minced. Here I have garlic minced. You will add ginger and the garlic. So stir fry ginger and garlic in vegetable oil for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. We will add soy sauce in there. Add same amount of water in there as the sauce, the soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons, and mix it. Here friends, we will cook the sauce for 4 to 5 minutes. So it's been 3 to 4 minutes. Our sauce is ready. For now we will put the sauce right on the side in a separate bowl. So we are using the same wok, adding some sesame seed oil in there. Take the beef and put all in here. So on the medium flame we will stir fry the steak, the skirt steak, at least for 5 to 7 minutes. As you guys can see, the steak is changing color. So this is what we want for the best Mongolian beef. So remember you guys, it has the cornstarch, and we have used some sesame seed oil. So we will be keep stir frying this beef for next 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so we are making it a little bit spicy. Add some half teaspoon of chili powder and add a pinch of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and give it a stir. Alright, so guys, it's time to add the sauce we made. So we will add all the sauce right in there. So now the beef will cook in the sauce we made with the ginger, the garlic, the brown sugar, and the soy sauce. So it will take next 10 minutes. So this is the time the Mongolian steak will cook in the sauce and get tenderized. Check it out, this is after 10 minutes. We'll use a different spoon, and here you go guys. I want to leave a little bit sauce to it. So this looks perfectly done. I did check the meat is super tender. This is the benefit of using the skirt steak or as I said, you can use the flap steak in there as well. So we will take some sesame seeds and we will add some sesame seeds in there. So here I have some white rice in the plate, and we will serve the Mongolian steak right on the side with some white rice. Perfect, great recipe. So here I'm adding some finely chopped green chilies and some cilantro. You can, as I said, you can add some green onions in there as well. So here you go, friends, your beautiful Mongolian steak is ready. So this is the moment of truth, friends, finally. Wow, it looks juicy, it looks tender, and here goes the first bite. Perfectly done, guys. Do try this easy, simple recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye for now. So the beef is super tender. Yum. You can see all the strings. Perfectly done, guys.